Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Productivity tools are supposed to make you more, well, productive, right? But if your people aren't trained to use your time-saving solution, or if it's not properly integrated with your other systems, or if it's simply the wrong choice of tool in the first place, then you could find it's slowing you down instead of speeding you up, and that will be costing you time and money. Bringing new technology into your business can be a big step, and there's a lot to take on board. That's why many business owners simply try to avoid it completely and carry on as they were. With professional help and careful planning, you can take your team's productivity to the next level with all the competitive advantages that it brings. Technology should never hold you back, which is why our experts work closely with our clients to find the right solutions for them, making them more efficient, more productive, and ready to grow. If you'd like us to do the same for you, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.